Hi, this is Abdul, digital growth consultant having more than 5 years experience. And in this video, I will talk about the impact of user-generated content and the conversion rate of the website. For all the businesses, the user-generated content is something that you ask your existing buyers to create a video of unboxing or create a video of using your product in real life and sharing your review about how you felt about the product. And then you get these videos, you compile a good video out of the different customers, and then you use that content onto your website, product pages, use that into the social media handles, you use that in different promotions that you launch onto your website. And then the new users that come to your site, they are able to see, okay, this product has been used by these many guys, so they are having good experience, so let's try this one. So what happens is that it really increase your conversion rate by 50%. For example, whatever your current conversion rate is, it will increase that by 50% from the existing users. So this is a very low hanging fruit that most businesses underestimate the power of. You simply have to offer some giveaways, some special discounts to the existing customers if they record a special video for you. And I think it's really worth it. You should be investing at least 10% of your ads budget onto this section, so that you can have higher return on the remaining 90% of the budget.